Hi there. I have not posted on this YouTube channel in a very, very long time, but I was just at Target earlier getting money for my parents, and do you know what I got? I got this. Oh yes. Oh yes. And we're gonna open it. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. I have my scissors because I always have trouble getting this plastic crap open. So, let's see here. Come on. This was $30, by the way. This was 30 bucks. Okay. Oh. Oh yes. Now, oh, this, what is this for? I do not know. Anyway. Oh, I see. So you gotta open it like... Ooh. Come on now. It's hard. You gotta open it like this, like a... Come on. There we go. Okay, my apologies. You have to open it like this. And... oh, shit. So, this is, I assume, the track list. I don't know what's in here. I don't think... Is this what the CD is in? There's no way. Come on. No? Oh, yes. Yes, this is what the CD is in. Ooh, don't focus on me. Focus on the CD. And then... oh, holy shit. Okay. So we have a few things in here. We have a little group photo of all of them. All 7 guys. A little... I don't know what this is. It's just a little BTS thing. And then we have... oh, there's a bookmark. That's useful. I've been reading lately. And then we have all of these. Is that Jimin? Let's take, yeah, that last one was Jimin then. And we're back to Junie. Okay. And then there's another bookmark. And I have several, I have several photo cards. We got Tae, Hobie, Jen, oh. It really wants to focus on my face. Then Jen, then I can't tell who that is from here. Oh, that's JK. Okay. His was darker than the others. So, wow, 4 photo cards in one is crazy, first of all. And then the photo book. Who did I open? Straight to Hobie, it looks like. So, yeah, there's all of that. There's a lot of things in this tiny little box. That's kind of crazy. Like, keep in mind, this is the box all that came in. This right here. Crazy, crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use as the thumbnail for this. We'll just have to figure that out now, won't we? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.